Shah-i-Zinda, meaning the living king, is a necropolis in the northeastern part of Samarkand. The Shah-i-Zinda ensemble includes mausoleums and other ritual buildings of the 11th, 15th and 19th centuries. The name Shah-i-Zinda, meaning the living king, is connected with the legend that Qutham ibn Abbas, a cousin of Muhammad, is buried here. The earliest buildings date back to the 11th, 12th centuries. He came to Samarkand with the Arab invasion in the 7th century to preach Islam. The Shah-i-Zinda complex was formed over 8, from the 11th to the 19th centuries and now includes more than 20 buildings. The ensemble comprises 3 groups of structures, lower, middle and upper, connected by 4 arched domed passages locally called chartak. Steeped in legend and harmoniously combined in a lively and moving composition, various mausoleums are grouped along the narrow medieval streets. Visiting the Shah-i-Zinda complex is considered one of the most awe-inspiring things to do in Samarkand, especially for those seeking a deeper connection with the city's spiritual and architectural legacy.